Hello guys, in this video I will show you the nested if. It's actually the same as my two previous videos about selection blocks, but because this is another form of the two videos, so I made a spare one that discusses nested if. In a sense, a nested if is a program with an if command inside the if command. So you can have if statements inside if statements. This is called nested if statements. Okay, let's go. X equals 43. Then if x is larger than 10, print above 10. Then if x is larger than 20, print and also above 20. Then I will add else. Print but not above 20. Okay, you can see the result in above 10 and also above 20. The condition for the program to run is that the value of the variable in the nested if must be smaller than the value of the variable that is used as a reference in the main if command. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.